coming at you from Diamond Bee Farm with another video. You know I love container gardens and I love to plant onions. So we have already got some onions planted. Got some planted in one of another raised bed. I think I need another raised bed. What do you think? I mean, it won't be like the Vego. The Vego is like top of the line, but this is some of the things that we do have around the farm. I've got an old piece of actually it was a roof because we had a hailstorm and had to replace the roof to the barn. So I've got an old piece of tin and I've got some wood. I'm going to enlist Kevin's help. That's the key. And I'll show you kind of about what it's going to look like. Okay, so you know we found a piece of sheet metal and we have some scrap wood. So the goal is to make a raised bed with just what we have around here. And so the sheet metal. And then of course we have wood, you know, round here somewhere. Anyway, but maybe we can make just the raised bed just with this one piece. That's what we're hoping. So with this piece of metal, I think we can get one 6 foot by 4 foot, which that's going to be pretty big. So we've marked our lines. Of course you probably can't see the blue lines, but we marked them and we're going to fix to start cutting. We got 4 sides cut. Now then we're going to cut 4 legs. This is what we had. We had a big 4x4 that we had covered our blueberries up with and that we weren't using anymore. So now we're going to cut 4 legs out of this, but use what you have. One.
I'd have probably done better with a chainsaw.
That's what I was sitting there thinking of. Chainsaw worked pretty good.
You know, you women out there, be careful when you marry a tool and die maker. Just be careful. 4.
And then one at the top, didn't we?
Right.
Sure.
So he has done 4 pre-holes to help with whenever he uses his screws. And he's just using a little nail.
Just not much.
Not much.
So what he's doing now, after he has done his pre-holes for his screws, he is using what size are the screws?
This big.
These are number 10s that I don't never use.
Number 10 screws that he don't ever use.
And he has a washer in between them and the metal. But he's just drilling them into...
I don't know that that's necessary, but I wanted to do it.
That's very true. It just makes it look fancier.
I don't think we worried about fancy.
We are fancy. Teamwork makes the dream work. So since he's done with this long side, I just want to tell y'all, like in our Vego video, there was a little piece in the center that connected them to make sure that they didn't bow out or anything. So any longer than what Dad has them right now, which is what, 4 foot?
6 foot by 4 foot.
6 foot? I was close. You will need something in the center to brace it. So right now they're putting together one of the angles, one of the corners.
Great form.
And if you are still watching, be sure that you are following us on all of our social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and be sure that you are subscribed to our YouTube channel. And if you find anything interesting, please comment and maybe share this video with a friend. That'd be great. Now then, back to our original content.
May have to go get another end. Okay.
Now where are you going?
We ain't gonna get no party. I know. That's
Long side number 2 is going up.
Huh?
Long side number 2.
Oh.
Second long side.
Now remember your mama was gonna put 6 on it.
It's very true.
She's gonna build a roof.
There's our peacock. Isn't he cool?
Yeah, you better go,
I know, I gotta give him some feed. He likes the snacks.
Is the bread with?
what?
Is the bread still in?
No.
So cool.
go. I only got 4 more washers. 2 on this side, 2 on this side.
Put them at the top. Or one in the middle, one at the top.
That's not level.
You ain't gonna do it like that, are you?
Oh, thank God.
Okay, you want a washer?
Yeah.
So, Mama, what do you plan on putting in here?
What?
What do you plan on planting in here?
I have some cold weather crops, I guess you could say. I have some white onions and I have some cabbage.
So, when do I get one?
You have a good one. You have a Vego.
You have 2.
Talk to your daddy.
Daddy?
What?
It's not fair.
Huh?
It's not fair.
What do you mean?
She gets 2 and I get 1.
Oh, this one's yours, baby.
Never mind. I don't know what I'm planting in it. I don't get- Now that he's got it all made, I'm so excited. You know, we will get it set in place. We will get the cardboard down on the very bottom. We will get sticks, leaves, whatever we can find to go in the bottom. And then I'll get some new potting soil. Of course, we get that at our local Amish market. And yes, they are aware that I'm coming. But container gardens, you can make a container garden out of anything. Out of an old tote, out of some 2x4s that's been put together. It can be anything that you have around your house that you don't use anymore. Even old tires, you can fill those up. Just make sure that they got drainage holes in them, and make sure that you have a good, people call it a brown base, but just a good compost base at the bottom, like of sticks, leaves, whatever you would put in your compost, and you can plant anything. So what are you gonna make your container gardens out of? Post in the comments. Can't wait to see what ideas you come up with. So happy planting.